Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Yogesh Kunwar from Kunwarlab.com. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the pivot table in Excel to summarize, analyze the data. So this is one of the most powerful function of Excel, and this is going to be very useful for you. This is normally a summary of data that includes usually a sum of data, differences, average, minima, maxima, etc. For example, let's say if you have the sales data that is performed in a different month, uh, worked in a different location, and worked by the different person. So if you want to get the summary of data by person that is performed in a different month, so you have to find the required data in a summary. So if you use the pivot table, then it will allow you to find the exact summary of data in a required data file. So this is going to be very useful for you. So let's get started with the real example. Okay guys, you can see here I have bunch of data here with the location, the different month, and different items sold, and the unit price are also different. And here you can see unit sold, then total amount. Okay, I'll show you by summarizing the data here. First of all, you have to create this normal data to the pivot table. So for that, select this data and click Ctrl T. This is the shortcut of creating the table. I have the header file, that's why I'm clicking my table has header and then click OK. Okay guys, you can see here the table has successfully created. Now let's move to the pivot table creation. Okay, I'm opening new tab here. Okay, I want to create the pivot table from here, so I'm selecting this tab and go to insert. Here you can see pivot table is available. Just click, and it is asking to select the data. I'm going back and selecting all this data. Okay, I want to create the table in the existing worksheet, so I'm selecting this and then click OK. Okay, pivot table has created. You can see here either pivot table fields. You can make your data as per your requirement. Here I want to summarize the data by month, location, and then the unit price and unit sold. So let's drag and drop this file to the row, because I want the month in the row. I will put the location in the column. Okay, and then the unit price in the value. It is showing count of unit price. I want here sum of the unit price, that's why let's remove the unit price here. The total amount, here it is showing count of total amount, that's why I don't want this. I want the sum of the total amount, so I'm clicking this and go to value field setting. Just select sum from here and then click OK. Okay, you can see here the sum of the totals is showing. It is showing the very summarized data. This means the amount of value sold in April month at the location of Budol. So if you want to know what type of data are available for the April and for the location of Budol, then just double click this value. Here you can see all the data for Budol location and for the month of April are showing here. Okay, so if you want other type of data, just like if you want the location in the row and the month in the column, then just reverse it. Just drag and drop the month in the column and just drag and drop the location in the row. You can see here data has reversed and it is showing in a different way. So this pivot table is very flexible. You can use in very convenient way and it's for your requirement. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you will find this video helpful. If you want more tutorials on Excel like this, then you can leave the comment on the comment section below. I'll try to make the video on that. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.